Okay, so hi dear Leo, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a journal love reading for all the Leo Sun Moon Venus Rising. Keep in mind this is general. It might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the rules can be reversed also. Third thing, this is a reading from 8 till the 15th of December and it's valid for every 12 sign that you are dealing with along with your own sign. If it is not resonating, it's not your story. You can just skip the video. If you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that, I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want one on one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can book your slots accordingly. So let's start. Let's see what we have. Leo, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see. We have the Four of Cups. So someone is quite upset about the way this love situation is going on between you guys, okay? Or maybe someone is still stuck on you even if they are not with you anymore. They're not able to find anybody like you. Let's clarify the Four of Cups as their feelings for you. We have the Hierophant, the Knight of Cups, the Five of Wands. Okay, someone is kind of in a very conflicted kind of energy within themselves, where they are kind of feeling like they should come forward towards you for some kind of long term partnership or commitment, but at the same time, they feel like it's not possible. It's kind of the time is gone, or the energies are gone, or you are no longer going to be interested, and they're not able to find somebody like you. That is why they are continuously in the conflicted kind of energy and mind state where they're continuously trying to find somebody like you, but they're not able to do that. And with you, it's kind of impossible to go back to that kind of energy for some reason. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Leo? Hanged Man. So from your side, you feel like you should just surrender to the divine and just let it go. Okay. We are trying to see things from a totally different perspective, from a fresh angle, from a fresh perspective, and at the same time, you feel like you should just stay in the surrender mode. Let's clarify the Hanged Man. We have the Seven of Cups, the Knight of Wands, the Three of Swords. Yeah. See, you're so damn confused in your love and relationship area. Not confused actually. You have a lot to do. There's a lot on your plate right now, apart from love and relationship area as well. So even if someone is coming towards you, you are too much heartbroken, you are too much in this energy of I don't know what I should do kind of a deal, and you're emotionally confused as well, maybe because a lot of things are going on at the same time, and or you have more than one option to choose from, and you're kind of heartbroken too because of your past experiences. So all in all, this is the energy of not being able to understand what you should do. So you are practicing the art of being in the surrender mode right now. Whatever is good for you will come back to you. That kind of energy you are practicing right now will come back to you or will come to you naturally. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? Three of Swords. Their intention is to heal themselves. To get over the pain that they're experiencing right now because of whatever is happening or whatever happened, and to heal themselves properly and to heal the situation also. They're continuously in some kind of chaos all the time. They're having this chaos inside of their mind regarding what they should do in order to bring back the life into this connection and or find somebody like you. Okay, you left quite an impression on this person, honey. Yeah. So, Six of Wands, the Hermit, and the Queen of Pentacles. See, they want to transmute this pain into something meaningful. They want to learn their lessons properly and they want to be mature and grounded enough to understand that this is life and the show must go on, kind of a deal. Right? But they are not able to do that. So, they want to force themselves to heal themselves as quickly as possible. and to grow out of this situation, to learn the lesson out of this situation, to be mature enough, to be grounded enough, to be understanding enough that this is life and this is how it works. Okay, let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Leo? What are your intentions here? Nine of Wands. You just want to keep your guards up. You just want to keep your guards high as much as you can, because you just don't want to get hurt again whatsoever in this lifetime. Okay, let's clarify the Nine of Wands. We have the Eight of Wands, the Moon card, the Ten of Pentacles. See, you're scared of even opening up to somebody in that manner. Like, you're scared of what ifs. You are scared of the unknown. You are scared of what if everybody who is going to connect with me is going to make me feel worse. Well, like, what if they're going to betray me? What if they're going to cheat on me? What if they're going to do this or do that? Or you have lots of what ifs in your mind, and that's why you just don't want to open up right now at this present moment. You don't want anybody to enter in your peaceful area that you have created for yourself, because again you're going through a lot at the same time. It's not about love and relationship area only, it's about a lot of factors in your life that you're going through all together, and it's kind of messing you, like messing your head, messing your energies with everything that's going on, including this love and relationship area. Let's see what's coming towards you till the 15th of December, honey. We have the Knight of Swords. I do see you running as far as you can from a particular person or situation and not even looking back. In this particular deck, this Knight of Swords is running away as fast as possible from people or situation or things that you don't want to face. Let's clarify the Knight of Swords. We have the Queen of Cups, the Sun card, and the Nine of Wands. Yeah, I do see somebody trying to be pretending that everything is fine, I am happy, and you should also be happy, but at the same time, not opening up to the other person here. It's like if you are going to connect with somebody, they are going to say all the right things, like say all the beautiful and positive things about their life. But when you're going to ask them, like if they are open to connect and reconnect maybe and go forward, they are going to be like, nah. They are going to run away from the situation as fast as possible and as far as possible. So it's like two individuals very scared of opening up to each other, that they are planning to run away in totally two opposite directions. Especially you, Leo. You don't want to even think about it. You don't want to even face this situation anymore. You're like, I'm done. Go on. Goodbye. This is so painful. I don't want to hear about it. I can be friends from far, from a distance, but nothing more than that. So bye. You are that much scared. Wow. The guidance here, Chariot. Keep moving ahead. If you think this person, this situation is not good for you, just keep moving ahead. But don't be scared to open up to new people, new energies. Because if you are going to let this fear creep in and become your reality, guess what? This is going to be a reality then. That it will become your reality in reality, right? So don't let this fear make you feel like this is the reality, this is the truth, that you are always going to find somebody who's going to betray you or do something wrong with you, or you don't deserve a good love life. Don't do that. Please don't feel like that. Don't make this fear a limiting belief of yours. Okay, please don't do that. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Leo. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.